So it is a little weekend off and time out. So I would like to make a room tour in here where we are. So nice floor, very old style floor. And then this is the, well, living room and dining room. I think it's a little bit old style and some modern style. So yeah, I really love this lamp. It is nice. There is that bedroom with the double bed and, well, a wallpaper. Then we've got the small kitchen. Kitchen is also nice. I love this view of the new and nice flats over here, apartments. Okay, marks, everything we've got what we need, I think. And then I think here's the bathroom. So, okay, where's the light on? Yes. Oh my god. So, well, toilet, nothing special. The washing machine, and we've got a funny shower because it is like a small bath, and then the shower curtain, so there is no like cabin. Well, I think it's nice. It's cool. So outfit of today, I've got my leggings from Zalando. This is I don't know, Pinky brand, and my Zara blazer, YSL bag, and I forgot my gloves. So boots, knee boots with very high heel. I don't know how I will be walking in them, but I have to try. So see you later. Hello and welcome in another day. Today we are in GDYNIA and we will be looking for nice places. This submarine is so huge. Looking like a big shark or something.